Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today we are unboxing Xiaomi Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank. So it's supposed to have 18-watt fast charging and USB-C and all that stuff. Well, basically it says the same thing here. Already took out the sticker, so let's open it. I really should get a tripod. Okay, now. Ooh, it's pretty big and heavy. Now, what's in here? A cable, probably. And I can't get it out. Well, it's a cable for charging, like really small. But okay, good enough. So here's the power bank. Like, I like this material. It's plastic, but it feels really smooth and good. Can I just touch it? You know, it's pleasure. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh, like, damn, this is heavy. Like, it's a lot heavier than your phone, but it's bigger, so already fingerprints on it. Well, this is it. Just, you know, a power bank, a cable, a box. So yeah, here are some more stuff that I probably won't unbox, but okay. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.